How to create another LinkedIn account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create another LinkedIn account on your LinkedIn app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your LinkedIn app. Now here tap on your profile in the top left corner. Then here tap on settings in the bottom left corner. Then here scroll down and tap on sign out here in the bottom. And you can, if you want to remember this account, tap on remember and sign out. It will make you easier for login if you want to log in this account next time. So I'll tap on remember and sign out. Then here tap on sign in using another account to create another account. Now here tap on join now in the top right to create another account. Enter your email or phone number and tap on continue. Then here enter password and tap on continue. Enter here your first name and last name and tap on agree and join. And if it asks you for a security check, tap on verify and solve this puzzle. So let me solve this puzzle quickly. After solving the puzzle, confirm your location. To confirm location, tap on enter here the correct location. If it shows here incorrect, and tap on next in the bottom. Now here, if you are a student, here tap here and change it to yes, and enter here university, school, degree, specialization, start year, and entering after all of this, tap on next. If you are not a student, tap here and turn this to no and enter here your most recent job title. And then here, if you want, you can write employment type. It is not compulsory. And after that, here write your most recent company. And here tap on next. After entering all the details, tap on next. And if you want, you can add a picture on your profile. To add a picture, tap on add a profile. If you don't want for now, you can skip on for now. So I'll just tap on skip for now. And here you will get a 6-digit code on your email that you just entered. So open your email and find the 6-digit code from LinkedIn and enter here and then tap on next. Now LinkedIn will ask you if you are looking for a job right now. If you are, tap on yes. If you are not, tap on not now. Then if you want, you can import contacts. So for now, I'm just going to tap on skip for now. And you can connect with these people if you want. I'll just skip for now. And here you will LinkedIn will show you follow people and companies to keep up with activity in your industry. So if you want to follow, you can tap on this plus and you'll be following, and after that tap on finish. So now your another account is created. So if you want to switch back and forth to that main account and this account you have just created, tap on your profile in the top left corner. And here tap on settings in the bottom left corner. Now you scroll down and tap on sign out. Again tap on sign out. Now here you will get the option to sign back in your old account that you just signed out before you created this one. If you just tap on it, and you will be signed in the old account. So this is how you can switch back and forth or create a new or create another LinkedIn account. Thanks for watching.